Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Oh yes, it is time for a Sunday shave. Today's shave soap is going to be by Stirling, and this is Deep Blue Sea. And I know the container looks a little different. I actually got a refill puck, and I had one of these containers already, and so I thought I would try that versus buying the whole tub and everything. So it's a little bit of money savings, and I've had this soap for a little while, and I've just been patiently waiting to get through the list of soaps. And so the scent on that is inspired by Blue Chanel, and that is a masculine scent. It's kind of a woodsy, not real spicy, but it's a very nice cologne scent. And I do have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I doubled my soap amount because I'm using my Trotter's handcraft brush, and that is the T1 knot. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and lather my face up. So, how was your week? Did you have anything exciting happen? Oh, smell that. Have you guys tried this soap? Or the scent of this soap? Very nice. I do have 2 days worth of growth. And as you can see, the adjusted formula for this knot is perfect. Oh yeah. All right. And now we're going to talk about the razor. Now this razor, I'm going to say, because I'm an honest guy. I've been bit by this company before, and it is Pearl. So I refrained for quite some time. And I heard a lot of people say that this razor gives a great shave. And this is the Pearl Blaze. Well, they say that it's all copper. Or no, not copper, brass. All brass razor. And so sometimes people say that, but the top cap is not actually brass. So I decided, because the curiosity got me, is it really all copper? And so I just scratched a little bit there below the threads, and there was copper. And so I thought, you know what? That razor would look really nice, all copper. Why cover up something beautiful? Did I say copper again? Dang it, I meant brass. Anyway, brass and copper are beautiful. So why would you cover that up? And so painstakingly, it took me about an hour and a half, and I removed that nasty coating, and I got this. Ooh, look at that. She's pretty. Now, the thing that makes me a little bit suspicious about this metal is that once it's all shined up like this, in a matter of 10 minutes, it becomes almost like a polished silver. I have never seen bronze do that. Usually it turns more of a yellow and then kind of into a dark frosty gold. But anyway, this is it, and I'm not sure what it's really made out of. I know the U.S. standards are different than other countries, and so maybe this is their variation of brass. I don't know, but I will tell you it was a pain in the brass to do, so do not attempt that. I'm going to use a Gillette silver blue blade, and we're just going to stick that right in there. Now, I didn't do the little tabs because, and the CNC machining, I don't know what kind of CNC they did have, but quality-wise is pretty low. And I think that's why they can say, or maybe the price, they say that it's triple coated, blah, 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 with the finish. And I feel like it's like, have you ever looked at an old car and it had Bondo in it? Well, that Bondo will help hide all the little blemishes and errors, and I kind of feel like there's no blade overhang, but I almost feel like that's where the coating is, to hide some of that stuff. But, and you know what, I just realized, that black bowl is usually filled with hot water, and that's what I rinse in. And then that bowl there is what I put my ice cube or ice cube stick in. And I leave the sink for me to do my rinsing. And I was in a hurry. Okay, I'll be back. I'll fill those up and get them ready to go. All right, now that the lather's probably drying up on my face, let's go ahead and get the shave going. Here we go on pass 1. Feels nice and smooth. And I will tell you that this razor is very heavy. I'm going to say immediately that this razor is very, very mild. The soap has excellent residual slickness, and I am guessing 2 passes is not going to be enough for me today. It does feel like a nice shave. Just not a very close shave. All right, let's get lathered up for pass number 2. I need to pick up the matching splash for this soap. I got this soap, I don't know when it was, but it was at the time when I was thinking, I'm not going to buy splashes, I'm just buying the scented soaps. And before that, I was doing just the splashes and using unscented soap. And it's kind of nice to have the matching splash. I know it doesn't really, make that big of a difference, but can't believe I forgot to put water in my bowl. Where's my brain? My brain is somewhere else. I was thinking, what it was is I was thinking about this metal, and now it turns color. I've never seen something get shiny and lose color. That's crazy. I even asked my wife, I was like, does this razor, what color does it look like to you? And she's like, looks like a shiny silver. She's like, is it stainless? I'm like, no, it's brass. She's like, I've never seen brass that color. Me either. Things you do when you're bored. I think I might actually go against the grain. This is against my better judgment because I never do that. Plenty of soap in there for another pass. A couple more passes probably. All right. Let's go against the grain. Why I want to do that, I don't know. I just feel like the shave wasn't quite close enough. It's gonna be now. And I will tell you, I am unskilled going against the grain. just enough for me. See if I can do it. Danger, Will Robinson. Kind of more difficult to do that. I have a feeling I'm gonna pay for this. Did I say that already? Why are you doing it? All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. All right, and I'm going to use the ice cube stick for part of my post-shave routine. And this feels really nice because right now in this bathroom, it's like 80 degrees. All right, and since we're going with Stirling, we're going to use our green Lancaster black sheep towel, and it's me, not we. All right, and shall I show you the lather? Let's take a look at some lather here as the time keeps on a ticking. Would you look at that? Just look at it. All right. Oh, yeah. Nice. All right. I am going to use my Stirling unscented Glacial splash because it's getting really low. I'm going to have to get some more. What's nice about that is I can use it with any soap. All right, and a little bit of Star Jelly. Half a pump will do you. And I will keep you updated if I got irritation with my 3-pass shave that I never do. But now that I did that, I feel like it right there needs it and there needs it, but it feels pretty comparable to the shave that I'm usually looking for now. And unfortunately, it did take 3 passes with that razor, but you know, hey, not every razor is going to be super efficient, but I will put a picture right here of everything that I used today, and I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you on Will It Shave Wednesday. I love that menthol in my eyes. All right, see you guys.